Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of being a product manager: market research. Trust me, nailing this can make or break your product's success. First things first, define your objectives. What exactly are you trying to learn? Whether it's understanding customer pain points or figuring out the competitive landscape, being clear on your goals will guide the entire research process. Next, know your audience. Who are you building this product for? Create detailed customer personas, age, occupation, interests, and behaviors. The more specific, the better. This helps in tailoring your product to their needs. Now let's talk about gathering data. Start with secondary research. Look up existing studies, reports, and market analyses. Websites like Statista, Pew Research, and industry-specific reports are gold mines of information. But don't stop there. Primary research is equally important. Conduct surveys, interviews, and focus groups to get first-hand insights. Tools like Google Forms, Typeform, and even social media platforms are great for this. And here's a pro tip: use both qualitative and quantitative methods. Numbers are great, but understanding the why behind those numbers gives you the full picture. Once you've gathered all this data, it's time to analyze. Look for patterns, trends, and anomalies. Use tools like Excel, Tableau, or even simple mind maps to visualize your findings. This makes it easier to draw actionable insights. Finally, validate your findings. Share your insights with stakeholders and get their feedback. This step is crucial because it ensures you're not operating in a vacuum and helps in refining your strategies before implementation. And there you have it, a quick and dirty guide to acing market research as a product manager. Remember, the more effort you put into understanding your market, the better your product will be. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.